Hey Healthy Wealthy fam! Welcome back to the channel where we explore how to live healthier, wealthier lives. Today we're talking about something that often gets overlooked, your shoulder mobility. Whether you're reaching for something on a high shelf, carrying groceries, or just trying to avoid that stiff feeling, shoulder mobility is key to moving with ease and avoiding pain. Let's dive into why your shoulders are so important and how to keep them healthy. Your shoulders are the most mobile joints in your body, capable of moving in almost every direction. This incredible range of motion allows you to perform countless daily tasks, like lifting, reaching, pushing, and pulling. But with great mobility comes great responsibility. Poor shoulder mobility can lead to stiffness, pain, and even injuries that can make everyday tasks feel impossible. Here are some common challenges people face when shoulder mobility is limited. 1. Difficulty reaching overhead. Grabbing something from a cupboard or putting on a shirt becomes a chore. 2. Weakness in lifting. Poor mobility can restrict your ability to lift or carry objects like grocery bags or even your kids. 3. Pain during exercise. Activities like push-ups, planks, or weightlifting can feel painful and lead to compensations that hurt other parts of your body. And 4. Postural issues. Limited mobility often results in slouching or rounded shoulders, which can strain your neck and back. On the flip side, improving shoulder mobility can transform the way you move and feel. Here's what you gain. Ease in daily activities. Tasks like reaching, lifting, or even driving become effortless. Injury prevention. Flexible, strong shoulders are less likely to suffer from strains or tears. Improved posture. With better shoulder mobility, it's easier to stand tall and avoid that hunched look. Enhanced athletic performance. From yoga to weightlifting, shoulder mobility gives you a competitive edge. Reduced pain, no more nagging aches from stiffness or overcompensating with other joints. Now let's talk solutions. Here are a few simple exercises you can do to improve your shoulder mobility. Wall slides. Stand with your back against a wall and slide your arms up and down in AE motion. This helps open up your shoulders and improve range of motion. Shoulder pass-throughs. Using a resistance band or a broomstick, hold it with a wide grip and pass it over your head and back. This stretches and strengthens your shoulders. Pendulum swings. Let your arm hang loose and gently swing it in small circles. Great for loosening up stiff shoulders. Thread the needle, yoga pose. This stretch improves mobility while releasing tension in the upper back and shoulders. Arm circles. Simple yet effective. Rotate your arms forward and backward in big circles to get the blood flowing. Do these exercises regularly, and you'll notice a big difference in how your shoulders move and feel. Your shoulders play a crucial role in everything you do, so don't take them for granted. By working on your shoulder mobility, you can reduce pain, prevent injuries, and move through your day with ease. It's a small investment in time that pays off big. Thanks for watching, Healthy Wealthy fam. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Until next time, stay active, stay mobile, and stay amazing.